Hey guys, it's Hailey, and my YouTube channel is Hailey Rhode Bieber. And as somebody who is in the public eye, it's always been extremely important to me to set boundaries when it comes to the things I'm posting and the things that I'm sharing. And here's why I think you should too. When you spend time online, companies and other people can learn things about you. The things that they learn are sometimes called other names like your data or your personal information. This can include any information about you like your name or your email address. It can also include things like what websites you visit or the apps you use. Sometimes you share things with other people. When you do, consider whether you're sharing more than you meant to. For example, you might share a photo without realizing that the photo is tagged with your location. Other people might reshare something you posted or use information about you in ways you don't like. You can usually delete your own content or even your account, but this won't delete copies you've already shared. Make sure you check your settings and know who can see what you're posting or writing. Responsible companies should protect your information and keep it safe. Tell you what data they collect and give you the option to change it. First, make sure you check your settings before you share. Second, consider deleting old apps and profiles that you aren't using. And finally, you don't have to say yes if an app or website asks you to access data. For your YouTube or Google account, you can do a privacy checkup and adjust your settings or set your data to delete automatically. At YouTube, you can delete your watch history if you don't want recommendations based on stuff you used to like. Finally, video uploads are becoming private by default for teens. So before you switch it to public, remember that anyone can see the videos you post. Whatever you do online, you have the right to know and control what data is collected about you.